Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to do a look with the new Wet n Wild Fantasy Makers doll collection, and the name of the palette is Boogie Nights. I like what they did here with this palette because all the shadows on the top row are warm, all the shadows on the bottom row are cool, so it makes it very easy to put a look together. I'm going to attempt to use all 5 of the cool tone shadows, this whole bottom row. So I've already applied my Wet n Wild lip treatment, my e.l.f. Poreless Putty primer, Profusion Feel Good Skin Longwear Skin Perfector. My shade is Fair 3, and I actually used one of my Alice in Wonderland Wet n Wild sponges today, finally. I was going to save them just for decoration, but got the other one up on the shelf behind me there. Maybe I just won't use that one. But it worked nicely. I forgot how good their sponges are. I used the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Dark Circle Eraser Corrector in the shade 110. Set everything with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in 05 Fair. Used Hard Candy Selfie PH Adjusting Blush, which just gives you pink. And then I used the Wet n Wild Alice in Wonderland Collection highlighter palette in Curiouser and Curiouser, and I just used the pink. On my lips is the Hard Candy Instapout Plumping Lip Balm in the shade Plush Pink, not to be confused with their lip melts. This is a different line. This is minty and very plumping. And I just thought that color would look really good with the look that I'm going to do today. So I filled in my brows with Hard Candy Brows Now brow pencil in medium brown, and then primed my eyes with the Profusion Pigment Base eyeshadow primer. So let's take it from there. So what I am going to do is I'm going to go in with the purple first with this small crease brush. Pick up some product. I cannot get over how pigmented all the palettes are in this collection. So I have all of the palettes with the exception of one. And the one that I did not get is a lot of orange shadows. And if you know me, then you know that orange does not look good on me. Orange and gold just don't do anything for me. You know, everybody has colors that are going to look better or worse on them depending on the tone of your skin. And once you have that figured out, what tone your skin is, you're all set, and you can, you know, do things that you can avoid colors that aren't going to look good. But if you like certain colors and you want to use them anyway, have fun with it. Alright, I'm going to switch to this shader brush, and we're going to go into that shimmery rose shade right there. And this is the lightest one of all the shades in that bottom row. I'm going to sweep that across my brow bone and do the inner corner. I'm going to do some crazy stuff here, guys. I'm going to use all 5 shades. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take a different shader brush, and I'm going to go into the aqua shade. And pick some of that up. And we're going to go right along the lash line. I thought it would be fun to do one of my crazy colorful looks today. And it's just fun to try to use as many as the shadows as you can in a look, and then you can get an idea for the next time what you think. Let's go into the hot pink. And I've run out of shader brushes on the table in front of me, so I'm going to switch to this fluffy, small, fluffy brush. And we're going to put that on the lid. And there's no rhyme or reason why I'm using the ones I am, other than the fact that the shimmery rosy one was the lightest one, so that would make sense to use that for brow bone and inner corner highlight. So I'm just going to pick up a little bit more and bring it over. Alright, now I'm going to take this blending type brush and we're going to go into the blue, because the blue is the deepest shade of all of these, and I'm going to tap my brush into that, and we're going to put some of that in the outer part of my eye here. And I'm trying to be gentle with this because I don't want any fallout, like what happened in the last video when I used the blue in that palette. So I'm just kind of dabbing it on. Just blending a little bit at a time. Now I don't want to cover up the purple, and I'm going to use my Lottie London Superfake False Lash Effect Mascara. Put some of that on the lower lashes. And I'm going to curl my upper lashes. This is such a good mascara, you guys. If you're able to get Lottie London where you are, because they're not always that easily available where I live near me. I guess you can order some of the permanent products from the CVS website though. But let me just play catch up and do the other eye and put on my lashes and come back and show you the final look. And then I put on my LA Colors Dramatilash lashes in the style Diva. Alright, so to kind of melt everything together, I'm going to use my Hard Candy Sheer Envy Longwear Setting Spray. And that's just going to take down, you know, the powderiness and make everything merge together. So that is the finished look. So I did it. I used all 5 colors in that bottom row. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.